Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tesla Changed My Life. In today's video, I just want to answer a simple question. It's one of the most asked questions that I have in my YouTube channel and from all my friends. Why the market crash? What happened? Why yesterday I had much more money today? And what's going on? What I should do? Why I'm so scared? Especially if you're on a margin call. Well, stay tuned until the end because I will give also a bonus. That is what I do in this case and what make all this process much more easy. And here we go, guys. The market is crashing. And this video is much more like a strategy for all our investment in life, let's say. This will be not only one only time that will happen. In fact, if you see, I put a little graphic here, guys. This was like 10 years of SP 500. And from 2025, it crashed, as you can see here. It went down. And after 2 years, it went not just up much more like what it was, but it just like destroy everything. And after this, it was another pullback. What happened? Lots of people may be sold. Lots of people just keep it going, buy more. And what happened? It went at the same moment, almost after what, like 2-3 months. But what will happen after 3 years, 2017, 18, 19, 2 years, it went all-time high. And guess what? You know what happened at this time? The pandemic happened and everything crashed. I was so scared. We were like, well, our business, we start to pay our guys, our employed by, from our saving. We don't have the money. We don't know what to do. We don't have anything to do. We were so scared, man. We had investment, but, we don't touch that. But what we did, we invest more. And what happened? It went all-time high. And it went down, it went up, it went down, it went up. Guys, historically, the market is going up 14%, 10% every single year. Of course, it go down. Maybe 1 year will go down 2. Maybe 1 year will go down like 20%, whatever it is. But in average, the market is going up every year of 10, 15, 14%. So if you are for the long run, if you are not here just like, let me get the money, like the dividend, let's see what I can do. Maybe if that is your reason to invest in this high yield dividend, maybe it's the wrong way to invest, is what I'm saying. Let me introduce also to another concept, guys, because the first thing that you really want to do, you want to remove the emotion from all these investment. I know that is exciting, especially with the new apps and with everything, with the video, with the YouTuber, and people that, influencer online that we follow, they excite us. But again, guys, your personal investment journey need to be boring. And I'm telling you this why, because I don't want for you to go crazy and put emotion in this decision. We found out what is the path. The path is the long-term investment. If you hold enough, if you hold your investment long enough, it will go up. You cannot, what I'm trying to say, you cannot time the market. Me, nobody can time the market. All these people that move the money from one place to another place and to another place and to another place. I think that at the end of the story, it equalizes and they are losing money instead of making money. Let me show you another concept that is cost dollars average. And this strategy, it's undervaluated, I guess. I think that people think it is just like a BS, right? But check this out. If you choose one day a week, or 1 day a month, whatever it is. In my case, I get money every single day. Why? Because I invest in a high yield dividend. They pay weekly. They pay in different day of the week. So every day, if you stack them in a certain way, you can have money every single day. What happened with that money? Again, this is my personal strategy. So for me, it's every 2-3 days or every day, whatever it is, like the unit of measurement. In your case, will be every week, or maybe in your case, will be every month. Every Friday, you get every 2-3 weeks or 2 weeks, you get your paycheck, And the following day you invest. Again, how much you invest is up to you. I cannot tell you this. It's your hard earning money. You decide what to do with it. But what I do, I invest almost every day. So the market's going up, I buy a little bit. I buy a little bit less than what usually I buy. So let's say that my dividend is that, and I'm telling you the truth, average my dividend, except the ulti that I'm getting almost 250, usually is like $10, $5, $3, $2, $1. Let's say $5. So I invest. If I get $5 each day, and this particular stock, it's down, it's up. Actually, it's going up. Instead of $5, I buy $3, and I save another $2 in my account. The next day, the stock went even higher. I don't care. I take off the emotion. I get another $2. I got $5 from my dividend, but I get $2, I invest $2, then another three, I put it on the side. The next week or the next day in this case, the the price went even higher, higher, higher. And I get every time like $3. I put another $2 on the side, or $2, whatever it is, like a little bit less of what usually I buy. But guess what? In after like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost like a week, the market start to crash. So here we go. I get $5 on my dividend, but I get all these $2 that I used to save. So instead of $5, now I buy $8. And the next day it went up. So I buy my $3. I get $5 from dividend. I buy just a part of what. And now the stock market start to crash. I'm loaded. I'm loading the boat. Why? Because I have all that cash at every single day I get it. And when I say all that cash, I'm talking about like 10, 15, $20 or whatever it is. But the amount of money, it's not what it's about, guys. Is you buy and acquire much more share every single day or every single week or every single month. They pay you in base of the share that you own. So what means much more share you get, much more money you have. So guys, check this out. Let me show you a little bit. I have an infographic here, man. I'm getting big time. If you like my infographic, guys, put me a comment in the comment box below. But check this out. We have Boris and we have Abby. Now, Boris and Abby are just like two fictitious characters, but this can be, us, can be as investors, guys. So what happened? Boris got $400 and Abby gonna have $400. Both of them are $400, right? So, but check this out, guys. Boris blow all of the $400 in the first week of the month. He get paid. He go home. He say, "Damn it, let me invest some money." The share at the time that he tried to invest is $10. Actually, no, he tried. He invests. It's $10. He has $400 from his investment budget, and he got 40 cents. I'm sorry, he got 40 stocks. At $10, $400, he got 40 stocks. What happened the second week? Bro, the things crash, the market crash. It's what's happening right now. And we don't know if it go up and down. In this case, the third week go even much more low. Oh my gosh, people are going crazy. What's going on, man? This guy continue to say, oh my gosh, I should sell everything. I shouldn't sell. Let me stay in the game. Let me see. The third week, the market go up, and at the same time, and the same amount of money that when he start to invest. Oh, thank God, like ta 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 ta, the tachycardia is real. I mean, the guy almost had a heart attack, right? Check this out, bro. Abby, his girlfriend, I guess. Oh, something's going on here from Boris and Abby. But Abby, she say, dude, wow, $2 per share. Glad I have a cash left to invest. And the Boris say, the price dropped, but I have nothing left to my investment. So now, Abby, what she does, check what is that. This is what I'm talking about, guys. This is what we should learn from Abby, man. So Abby do like this. Let me move a little bit this on the side right here so you can see it. So Abby, instead of blow like a Boris did the 400 share, instead of blow all this money at the same time, she pays herself, bro. This is what I'm saying. In that case, she do the same amount of money. In my case, if the stock market is down, I got a little bit more. If the stock is up, I mean, if it's the price is up, a little bit less. But anyways, in her case, $10 a share. She invests the first $100. What she got? She got 10 share. The guy here, Boris, got already 40 share. He finished. The game is done. Finito. She say, no, I want to still play, man. I still have fun. Dude, the market drop like he dropped with him. He don't has any more money. But Abby, $5. Like, yeah, jackpot, ching. She got 20 share because it's half of the price, bro. This is what I'm telling you. Is everything on sale? So what she did, she bought the next week. She got another $100. She said, "Oh my gosh, Maronna mia, and the stock is $2 now, bro." She got the 50. She got the 50. And Pinocchio here, Boris, little Geppetto right here, he said, "Dude, I don't have any more money." Guess what? The last week, she still have $100 left. And she buy another $100 in share. At $10 is 10 share. Now, Geppetto here, Boris, $400, 40 share. Check Abby, bro. $900, 90 share. This is the power of dollar cost average. You don't blow all of them at the same time, but you invest a little bit at a time. The secret is acquire more share, and in this case, prove it. Now this can go up, this can go down. Doesn't matter, man. If you created the money making machine, you still have money, and you still invest money. It's a little bit, it's a lot, a little bit, whatever, but you still acquire more share, a fractional share. But guys, this is everything for today, man. And thank you so much for following me. Thank you for all people that subscribe to my channel. You guys are amazing. But guys, I must do a disclaimer. The content of this channel is for information and educational purposes only. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and nothing here should be taken as a financial, legal, or investment advice. Any strategy, ETF, or stock mentioned will reflect my personal opinion and my investment strategy only. They may not be suitable for your situation. As always, please do your own research and consult a licensed professional before making any financial decision. I may hold position in some of these investment discussed, but remember, past performance does not guarantee future result. Some link may be affiliate links, which means I may earn a little commission from the company at no extra cost to you. Actually, you will up the channel. And sponsored content will always clearly disclose.